baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, back in the castle, making it happen for y'all once more again, man. Finna drop another video on y'all. First things first, hey, to all my kingdom, welcome back. What's going on with you? Hoping everybody's having a great day. TGIF, TGIF. Y'all already know tomorrow, this week, this next month, everything is popping. But before we get started, man, hey, make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you can be notified of all videos, especially if you just now happen to come across my video by happenstance. And if you just joining into the kingdom, you just subscribe to the channel, greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Welcome. This is how we do it over here. So we do this little thing, you know what I'm saying? It's not always about the J's. You know what I'm saying? You know, your boy rocks Yeezys, your boy rocks Adidas, Pumas, Air Max, the whole kin kaboom. So today, I got a couple pair of Pumas. I just wanted to show you guys the unbox. And I got a little something for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and jump off into it, man. I ain't finna waste y'all time like that. So, first things first, you know, I'm unwrapping. Got the golden knife, y'all already know. That royalty. I don't even know which pair this is. I actually got a couple of pairs. These are my Tazon 6 camos. Like I say, you know, I like to rock different stuff, man. It's not always about the J's and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. You know, your boy is definitely a J Walker, but, you know, I like to get different stuff. So this is the Puma that I grabbed, man. I like this camo, and I like this gray camo on top of that. So this is what your boy grabbed. Not too much. Yeah. Knocking these boys out, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So I definitely want to grab these. These look like there's something that was going to be real comfortable. Y'all know with Pumas, they always come with the soft foam. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, the gray camos on there. I like the Puma thing on the side. You can actually kind of see the camo that's off in there. I do have several Puma shirts and joggers and stuff like that that'll rock with it. I guess you can call it dad wear. I don't care. Hell, I'm a dad. I'm a sneaker dad. You know what I'm saying? You got the little Puma on the back. And these look like they're going to be real comfortable. You know what I'm saying? You got the soft foam off in there. And I actually can't wait till I can just pop these on, man. And you know, you got to have some comfortable type shoes to where you can just rock every day. It's not always about rocking J's every day. You know what I'm saying? I do like popping my Yeezys on because, you know, those are comfortable as well. But I found that Pumas are a very comfortable type shoe to run with. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I like these. You know what I'm saying? Plus, you know, you have this mesh that's on the side and this leather, which is like a little tumbled leather, if you guys can see that. And it's not bad. And I think, what is this? Yeah, this is suede. So you got the little suede Puma thing right here. Where it almost kind of looks like it's patent leather on the edges. As you can see, it shines, but that's actually suede right there. This tumbled leather right off in there. I mean, aesthetically, it's okay. And I mean, it's not that much pleasing. And the toe box, how that suede comes around there as well. We got leather right there, gray strings, but the whole shoe is mesh. And this is definitely for comfort, which is the purpose of me getting this shoe. It's definitely for comfort. It wasn't necessarily about style or anything like that. It's definitely just getting for comfort. And I do like the little hits of the little Puma that's there in the toe box. You got one side over here on the side over here in the medial. The lateral side, you know, like I say, it is what it is. So something else to add to the collection, man. I just wanted to grab these. They was having a good little sale on them, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and click buy. That's what happens. You guys remember on the last video that I had, I told you guys that Soul Premise was having a sale on their bags, 50% sale. So I did it again. So if you guys are not hip to Soul Premise, and for whatever reason you might not grab those, or you're debating on it, I'm hoping that you guys did take advantage of the sale that they had going on. I did. I mean, 50% off. The bags, I mean, they're gonna run you a little over 200 bucks depending on what kind of bag you get, but it's definitely worth it. And so the one I got this time was, I got the black leather one. So the last one that I showed you guys, I got the red leather one. I actually debated on grabbing that white Luciano bag, but this black leather, I felt like it was a lot more durable, and I wouldn't have to worry about it getting too dirty. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Soul Premise. You know what I'm saying? Had to rock with these bad boys. And this bag here, this is an extra large bag. This holds 5 kicks, 5 pair of shoes that you can actually put off in this bag, man. And they are TSA approved. So if you want to take your carry-on, 5 pair of sneakers, and you put everything else off in there with your laptop, camera, all of that good old stuff, you can put that off in there, and you can actually take this home as a carry-on and wouldn't even have to worry about it. So gotta grab you one of those. And if anybody knows, like I know, especially if you're moving around a lot, traveling a lot, go ahead and knock out one of those, man. I suggest you grab one of those. That's my suggestion. But hey, like I always say, they're not promoting me, I'm not promoting them. I'm just letting y'all know what I rock with, and for me it's worth it. But on to the next shoe. On to the next one. Ordering this stuff, man, I get click happy. I'm always buying something. Question is, did anybody hit on those Yeshayas today? I didn't go for those. I feel like that color with the Yeshaya was something that, for me, I feel like it was the same type of shoe. It's too close to the other colorways that they had. So I was like, nah, I'm good on that. But y'all know how that goes, man. If Yeezy comes out with a different color that's something different from what I like, then I'll rock with it. But that Yeshaya, being honest with y'all, I pass on that. So the next one that I did grab is the same type of shoe, but I got it in a black camo. So the first one was the gray camo. This one I grabbed in a black camo. The other day I was like, dang, why did you grab the same shoe twice? Because it was different colors, and I get what I like. So just like the gray one, you have the Suede Toe Box, but this one's in the camo, as you guys can see, with the little Puma at the toe box and the big Puma on that side. Same thing with the leather, wraps around, Puma on the back. Same thing on the tongue, and you had this Suede Puma. I guess you can say the back was Nike shoe, back was upside down Nike swoosh, however you want to do it. But don't want to take up too much of your time. I did want to just, you know, give y'all a quick video of something that I copped. I haven't been copping much because your boy's been waiting on February. It's a lot of heat that's dropping in February, and your boy's gonna have to have your coins ready. Just like they did back in November when they was dropping everything. All-Star Weekend's gonna be bananas, gonna be crazy. So the thing is, y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys are going after in the month of February. Jordan Brand has dropped a lot of stuff this week. Actually, a lot of stuff. Jordan Brand and Nike. I mean, you got to look at it. You had the Black Cats drop. They pretty much set. They sold out real slow, but in other places like Foot Locker and stuff like that, they still sitting. You have, the 13s that dropped, Chinese New Year's. Those pretty much sitting. You know what I'm saying? Then you got tomorrow, the Jordan 9 Racers. Racer Blues. I mean, what do y'all think? Y'all think they're going to sit? I don't think that one's going to sit as much. I think the Chinese New Year will slowly creep out and sell out. And I think a lot of people are going to come back and going to double back and grab shoes that they're trying to get for February. So you think about it. You want to save your coins and try to grab some stuff in February because, you know, you got Off-Whites, you got the Jordan High 85 OG, you know, the black and red joints. You got so much stuff that's dropping, and if you're not able to grab that, then you can double back and go grab the stuff that came out before that. If you're smart, then you can use your coupons and discounts. So you think about it, smart move. I mean, at least that's what I would do. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. What y'all guys plan on grabbing. Hey, to all my kings, stand up. Rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing.
You see them? I got them. The J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force One with the J's on the bottom.